What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I am the Hobbyist, and today I just wanted to show you these lights that I've installed on my Axial Scx10 III, as well as also some 3D printed accessories that I've added, which I'm going to show you as well. But what we're going to cover today is the taillights, the interior lights, the headlights, and these orange underglow lights. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so starting off, the underglow lights are from GPM. This Road Tech, that's from the seller I bought it from, but it is a GPM underglow kit built specifically for the Scx10 III. So as you can see, it's got these little buckets here, and if we look underneath, there are these lenses. So they fit in all together, and then they have LED lights, and you can get them in either soft white, red, or green. And I got the soft white ones and then colored them with an orange marker just to make them look a little bit more orange to match the body a little bit better. Anyway, so these are super easy to install. They come with everything you need, the hardware, and they're very, very nice. So what I did is, obviously I put both of the fronts and the rears in, but then I routed the wires in such a way around the battery tray into this little rig that I've built using the spare battery tray. And everything's just wired up here. And then this right here, this is for plugging into the body, which has the headlights and the interior lights. And this little red line that I painted here is so that I don't have to look at the colors of the wires to line up the plug. I can just plug it in like that. So anyway, now let's look at the body lights. Okay, so looking at the body, the head and tail light set is from Apex RC. It's just a general 5mm head and tail light set. The headlights go in super easy. I opted to keep the stickers on, and I think it looks pretty cool. Tail lights are just the same. They bolt right on up. When we look at the inside, you can see I've wired everything pretty neatly using some of the included guides, and then I've all kind of just routed all this stuff underneath and in here like so. And then it's all wired into a little Y connector with the same red paint. If you look, can't really see in here, but there is two lights. They were the headlights that came out of the bumper of my Axial Scx24, and the reason for that was just so that it could light up the interior and look a little bit nicer, especially so that you can kind of see these a little bit better. So now let me get the interior out and I'll show you what these are. Alright, so here are the 3D printed accessories that I've got in the back cargo area. These are custom printed by CCC Customs. So here's a cooler, a first aid kit, a toolbox, some of these propane tanks, and also a water tank. So these are really, really cool accessories, and I highly recommend them. I also got these really cool review mirrors that go up, and just like you'd expect a review mirror. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave the comment in the section below for what videos you'd like to see next. I'm going to leave links to where you can get all the light kits down below, as well as links to the 3D files to make these prints. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I'll see you in the next one.